In a quiet village, a boy named Derek begins his ride. Just 6 years old, he pedals through blooming flowers and chirping birds. Suddenly, a chicken crosses his path. The bicycle strikes. Feathers scatter. Derek stops, shocked, frozen in place. A joyful morning turns into a moment of alarm and unintended harm. In his small home, Derek reaches for a 10 note. His parents watch silently, puzzled. With a determined gaze, the boy chooses action over tears. He runs through the village, chicken in one hand, money in the other. Faces turn. He doesn't stop. A child racing to make things right. At the counter, Derek offers his 10 note. His eyes shine with hope. The nurse, moved and speechless, sees the purity only children carry. With gentle words, the nurse explains, the chicken is gone. Derek's hopeful face falters, replaced by quiet heartbreak. Though the chicken had sadly passed, Derek's pure-hearted effort did not go unnoticed. A photo of him tearfully seeking help spread swiftly across social media, moving thousands with its innocence and empathy. And in recognition of his kindness toward animals, Peter India awarded him the title of Compassionate Kid. Jesus said, "Let the little children come to me, and do not forbid them, for of such is the kingdom of heaven."